Guava, a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. It helps to reduce the risk of heart diseases. So friends, I'll be showing you how to make this refreshing guava juice at home. Make this refreshing guava juice. I'm going to start by rinsing the guavas. I'm going to rinse this the second time. Okay, I'm done rinsing this. The amount of guava you use depends on the quantity of juice you want to make. I'm going to start by removing both ends of the guava. So I'm just going to slice this off. Okay, I'm just going to cut the guava into tiny pieces so I can blend this easily. You can choose to peel the skin of your guava or just blend it with the skin. It all depends on you. And also you can use the pink guava or the white guava to make this juice. The ripe guavas are sweeter to juice, so I'm using the ripe guavas. I'm transferring this into a bowl. To make this guava juice, I'm going to be bringing the cut guava into the blender. Okay, I'm going to be adding just a little water to this, not too much. I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of sugar. The quantity of sugar you add to your guava juice depends on the sweetness of your guava. If you have very sweet guavas, you don't need so much sugar in it. Now I'm going to blend this a few times until the guava turns out very smooth. I'm using the lowest speed of the blender to blend this, and if you notice, if your guava juice appears too thick, you can add a little water to adjust the consistency. I'm using the lowest speed so I don't end up breaking all the guava seeds. I'm just going to go ahead and strain this. Okay, once you're done straining this, you'll be left with the pulp containing the seeds. You can just discard this. Okay. Once done with your sieving, you can serve your guava juice with some ice if you feel like, or you can just serve it the way it is. I'm going to be serving this over ice. This is a very refreshing drink. It is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Guava juice is a refreshing drink to start your day with. So guys, your guava juice is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Give me a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. I would like to see you shortly. Bye.